Bird goes in the box.
I wanted to know who killed my cousin.
That's a nice spin, but I'm not buying.
Even if I found out who. The phone was sold to a good named Lakeisha.
What you doing, Trouble?
The store owner says she's a regular. I ran her name.
You like playing in the box?
Should have told me you were on the investigation. So what set you off, son? Is it Paige failing the polygraph test? Did she get cold feet and want to make a deal?
There was nothing to confess.
But she was going to turn you in. You would have lost your job, your pension, your freedom.
Paige didn't take the money, neither did I.
She paid off her debts with the money orders. And that's when you snapped. So what did you do? You cut her up?
What are you doing, Trouble?
Building and you staged the crime scene.
It's as if
Trouble.
anyone could buy money orders and make it look like she stole the cash.
I'm paying her bills.
A dealer once tried to deposit money in my bank account to skip on a drug charge, make a cop look bad.
He's going back from his cage now.
He's attacking a toy before he go in his cage.
I didn't take the money and I didn't kill Paige.
Okay. So why not take the polygraph?
It was a slap in the face. 25 years in the job, not even one accusation.
So about it.
Under a cloud of suspicion, the case is still, I had to prove that no one at all is dirty.
Poor toy.